In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an affiliate program in ClickFunnels. So start by logging into your dashboard. Then next in the left panel under apps, click on referrals. So here as you can see, there's a message here that says you can earn a minimum of 30% recurring commissions by referring ClickFunnels. And here in the same page, you can also see the benefits of the affiliate program. And to proceed or get started, click on Referrals Dashboard. And before you can start earning commissions, here you can see that you must first read this affiliate agreement and of course agree on it. So click on Read Agreement button. So make sure that you read this as much as you can. And once done, click on the Accept button. And in the same page in your dashboard, if you scroll down, you'll see campaign links that you can share with other people. And when they sign up through your link, you'll then earn commissions. And here in the Commissions tab, this is where you'll see all the commissions that you've earned from your affiliate links. Basically, here in Affiliate Center, you can view all things that you need in your affiliate journey. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!